Have you ever wondered why deep frying submerges food in hot oil? Today, we're diving into the science behind this popular cooking method and uncovering what makes it so special. Deep frying is a dry heat cooking technique where food is submerged in hot oil at temperatures between 350 degrees Fahrenheit and 375 degrees Fahrenheit, allowing for rapid heat transfer through convection. Submerging food completely in hot oil ensures that the cooking process is even from all sides. This method helps to seal flavors inside while creating a crispy exterior. The high temperature of the oil causes water in the food to evaporate quickly, resulting in that characteristic crispiness on the surface. This process also helps to create a tender interior. The oil acts as both a heat transfer medium and a flavor enhancer, allowing for healthier decisions based on the type of oil used. For example, canola or olive oil at 160 2000 D2C are popular choices. Despite its popularity, deep frying is not the healthiest cooking method due to high oil content. However, it remains a beloved technique for achieving that perfect balance of crispy and juicy. Help you make informed decisions about food preparation. So next time, think about how the oil transforms your favorite fried dishes. Now you know why deep frying submerges food in hot oil and its benefits. What's your favorite dish to fry? Share with us in the comments.